our Mokala National Park camping expedition. We have just left Kimberley. We are traveling on the N12 south towards the Mokala National Park. We'll be spending a few days there. We've got a few of our campers who have joined us. These are all brand new campers. They have never experienced camping. They have never gone out on the outdoor life. They have never experienced how it feels to sleep in a tent. So they are very excited and they were looking forward to this trip. And we'll be having a fun-filled 3 days at Mokala National Park. Like and subscribe to Black Boy Adventures on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, Instagram as well as Twitter. Enjoy the trip with us. Revaile!
Remember, I can't check. Let's come December.
Right there. We have just started the fire here at Motswedi Campsite. I just want to take you quickly to the setup that we are having here. We have just put up our tent here, the trailer, Jurgens XT160, we just set it up. The interesting thing is that Black Boy Adventures, for the first time in this camp, we are taking out people who are coming out for the first time to come and ever camp, to be in the outdoors, to enjoy life in the African bush. Another thing of importance is the fact that we are having female campers who came out with us. We have Lesejo there. Hi Lesejo.
Hi guys.
Then here we've got we've got Itumeleng Lute. Say hi to the people at Itu.
Cheers, guys.
Here we've got Mashia Fani.
Hi guys.
Let me just show you a little bit around the camp, how the tents are looking. Start this side. What is he setting up here?
You missed the life in Tonto. Yeah, we giving birth to Black Girl Adventures.
All succeeded.
We have old buddy of mine, Floyd Leo
Cheers.
and Pinky Muipolai. This is the setup here.
It's Jerry's house.
We are really getting going. We are now preparing our snook. We are going to have a snook braai. Thanks to Ridwan, America. The snook is about to go onto the fire that we have just made. Lekker snook. So we'll be having a snook braai tonight. Let's see how the snook is going to look when it comes off that fire. There we have Das.
Salam alaikum.
This is part of Black Boy Adventures. We are just getting the kitchen going. There's a spot where we can go out to do viewing from outside of our cars, we do that. But generally we stay in our cars. You must be very observant of what is happening so that you can look at the we are going to take various loops, 1 or 2 loops where there's water sides and and it's early time in the morning, that's the time when the animals come out to come and have a drink in the morning before they do whatever they do. So we are ready for the day.
Let's also limit the number of cars. So as we can get other people. Okay, that's a small car. I would advise that it stays.
Yeah, Elisa, maybe. Yeah, Elisa, maybe you stay.
Yeah.
So you guys are already free in
No. When you are coming with me and I will have an extra.
yeah. Tapi.
Exciting to just see them again. But it's really been a good experience, meeting up with different people. Thanks to Black Boy Adventures, I think I've now known about 9 new people that I never knew before. So it's really just something you need to experience, sleeping out in nature, sleeping out in the cold.
And in a tent also.
And in a tent, yes. And in a tent. I was really looking forward to sleeping in the tent actually. That I didn't have any doubts about. I knew it was going to be cold, and it was cold. But it was just good, sleeping, and hopefully tonight it will be quieter. But it was not, your sound from nature. It was really your other sounds, your artificial sounds that I introduced.
Yes.
We're a human lion. We're a human lion amongst us.
What would you tell people back home, your friends back home?
I would say do it once a year. I think from this game drive we're doing now, it's like a free day, and it's really an opportunity. We need serious incidents,
Yes, actually, no more. But the animals say, you won't get this because we're gonna get the percentage.
For what now? For what? What? What?
Campsite, Camille Doring Campsite at the Mokala National Park. Black Boy Adventures has brought out these people. They are very, very happy. We are at the Camille Doring Camp picnic site. I'm with the campers. They are really enjoying. They are taking pictures. They are enjoying the nature. We've just come through the Camille Doring loop. We've seen buffalo. We've seen roan. We have seen warthog. We've seen zebras, and they are just taking it. They are enjoying themselves, taking pictures, enjoying themselves. Floyd, how are you feeling about what you have experienced so far?
Well, coming from the environment myself, I think this kind of thing, especially so close to Kimberley, it's something that everybody should do. And we should encourage a lot of our people to begin to know what nature is, but not only that, about their country. Yeah. It's so rich and it's so diverse in species and a whole lot of things. And I'm glad that the women accompany us today, and they get to know what is happening. I've been giving a lot of lecture in terms of the animals themselves as we drove along, because at least I come from the environment.
Black Boy Adventures.
Yes.
What does it mean that you are here with Black Boy Adventures now?
Well, I think what Black Boys Adventures is doing is actually not only to educate, but also to, at the same time, it's pleasure, it's hospitality, but Black Boy Adventures is actually bringing this kind of experience to us as black people, because we take it for granted. But I think it's something that each and every one must experience, and each and every child in South Africa must experience.
Thank you very much. Lesel, how are you feeling so far? What are you taking in? How do you love the place?
I'm so excited. This is my first time experience. I've never been to camping before, but I enjoyed myself. And I was a bit scared that it would be cold, because I just got a fresh operation and I was like, ooh, will I survive it? But now, I slept like a baby last night. I slept very well, and the dinner was nice. We had nice food last night.
Thank you.
So yeah, I'm enjoying myself.
Do you enjoy being in the company of Black Boy Adventures?
I do, and I thank Black Boy Adventures for having exposed me to this. I think I'll be doing it again.
Thank you very much. Mashia, what is your experience so far? How are you enjoying the trip? You've gone through the park, you've taken a few rides, you've seen a few of the game. What is your take?
No, it has been, it's like a free day, and it's really an opportunity to use to just connect with yourself. I think if each one of us would just take half an hour and just spend it by yourself, that would really do us good. I think you will be so rejuvenated when
Come
we
Monday.
get back. That
Would you tell the
I
people?
would like to differ with you once a quarter, not once a year.
yeah.
Let's meet neighbor
Yes, sir.
Dube, also known as Bigel Damera. What is your experience so far? Uziva njani ulapha
Man,
Black Boy Adventures?
hey, Divuye. This morning drive is, just made my day, because I was actually looking forward to seeing Buffalo above everything else. I've seen President Ramaphosa himself.
Yes.
I almost sang with you, Phakama Ramaphosa. Especially
Especially Fikile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Black Boy Adventures, what do you think this brings to us now that you've seen the buffalo, and Black Boy Adventures managed to bring you here to come and see the buffalo?
I mean, a lot of respect and support and love to Black Boy Adventures, for creating this platform for us to get to where we are today. I'd actually I'd like to advise everyone to always, to take advantage of such opportunities, especially us as black people. We don't get to. There's this whole thought. There's this whole concept to it. These are for white people. So I'm honored to be part of this. It means us as black people, we're actually really breaking boundaries. And breaking that stereotype that this is made for white people only. And I'd like to give respect to Black Boy Adventures for creating this opportunity.
Ukulale Tentini, for the first time, how was that experience?
Yeah, well, I've done that, but that's like over 15 years back.
Yes.
So it brings a lot of memories. Even it, in fact, unlocks a lot of memories that I've been through, because I was doing camping back then with through the rally, which was through schools.
Yes.
And that's like 15 or even
Even
18 years, about 18, 20 years back, and it just unlocked a lot of memories. And waking up, sleeping to the sound of crickets, the sound of animals at night, and waking up to them, that's like an outstanding feeling. And
other than the
experience.
buffalo, what is the other animals that you have seen?
Gamsbok, giraffe. Is it the blue bull? Is it blue bull, ne?
No, the wildebeest.
It's the wildebeest, ne? Yeah.
The blue wildebeest.
Yeah. Because I grew up seeing that on one of the coins of our currency.
Yeah.
I think one of the. Yeah.
Is it 2 cent? The tapi.
As a tapi.
Yes.
Yes. I recognize that from the tapi, which we used to play Zwipi with.
Yes.
Now I've seen
back
the
in the
animal.
township of Kaleshewe, right?
In fact, that's the first time I actually saw the animal with my naked eye.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the last time you saw it when you were playing Zwipi.
I was playing Zwipi with it.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
we still have other people here who are taking in what we are doing here.
He's a small boy, he doesn't even know what Zwippy is.
I know what Zwippy is. What do you mean? Okay, it is Zwippy King, but I'm now considered something.
I now want to speak to.
PlayStation.
I now want to speak to. Itu Meleng Lute.
Spare the best for last.
Itu.
Spare the best for
So far, what's your feeling and your opinion? How did you feel to sleep in a tent since the day of Scouts?
I've done it 37 years ago. It was actually a very good feeling. But we saw animals. I brought my knife. It hasn't slaughtered anything. I'm not happy with that.
But you're in a national park, you can't slaughter any animals.
Who will know?
It's against the rules.
Who will know? Aslam, there was a daycare. We have it for breakfast, we split it, and that's it.
No, Black Boy Adventures would not have allowed it to happen.
But how do you go to places like this and you are incident free? You can't, you must have an incident.
He's a typical miner. He always expects that there must be there must be an incident. That's. This morning we are coming to you from the Motswedi Campsite. Black Boy Adventures has brought out some people to come and camp with us to experience an authentic camping experience. And we are at the Motswedi Campsite. I just had a cup of coffee and then I was watching at the water hole here at the site. The people that came out was for the first time some of them came out. There were ladies in the group. They enjoyed it. They felt the authentic experience of what we do when we are coming out to camp. They slept in tents for the first time. They enjoyed themselves. We prepared meals together. We prepared everything together. We washed the dishes together. We cleaned up the place together. The people slept. This morning it was extremely cold when they woke up, but they enjoyed it. They really took in the scenes. This Motswedi campsite is really very beautiful. We are really enjoying ourselves here. We want you to come out and experience the African Bushveld. What we experience, how it is authentic at night, the stars that we are viewing, the fresh oxygen that we are inhaling and breathing in here. It's such a nice experience. Black Boy Adventures has brought it, the people out, and they have spoken so well of their first experience, and they want to come more and more out so that they can experience this. They loved it because they slept in tents, they made food with a tripod, they fried meat. We had a good time and everybody is very happy, energized. They'll be going back this afternoon and then back to their daily lives. I'm sure they'll speak about this experience for years and years to come, and they will also tell other people what they've experienced as a result of Black Boy Adventures. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Till next time, wassalam, pula. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadan rasulullah. Terima kasih, Allahu Akbar.